For this next episode, we are not making nachos and cheese. We are not feeding the army. We only need a couple of slices of cheese.
So I'm about to today what we're doing is grilled cheese. We have bread. Everybody loves bread on their peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. We got cheese. They love it on your burger. So we got butter to put the butter on each side. Let's start. That's to put each butter in each corner. Let's start.
Did you already let the fans know what you were making? What are we making?
Grilled cheese. Grilled cheese is good. Oh, I'm almost to 4. Got to 4. So now pick it up and put it on the hot pan.
Do you need to do anything else to this piece of bread?
Yeah, and then we're gonna have another bread and then put the cheese on it and flip it over and then put some cheese on it and then wait for the cheese to melt.
Do you want to put the cheese on now? Is that the instruction?
Yeah.
Okay. How many pieces of cheese?
2.
Where does the cheese go?
It goes on here, but it has to be melt a little bit.
It's going to melt, so let's put it on the bread.
Straight. Good.
What's the instruction to do next? I hear it sizzling.
Sizzling. Like y'all know that commercial when people had that burger and they heard the burger still sizzling? That was actually the pan.
Yes. Are you? There you go. So you got it on top. Before you flip it, make sure that the spatula is all the way underneath the bread. Slide it all the way underneath. There you go.
Oh my God.
Okay, just give it another try. Give it another try.
Oh my God.
Just be careful. Put your hand on top. On top. Can you get it?
Got it.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, would you like me to come help you?
No, I think I got it this time.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm gonna need help. We forgot. I need a chef book to know what to do.
Well, I'm your chef book. I'm giving you all of the instructions.
But that's a chef book right there.
Okay, but right now you just gotta pay attention to mommy.
No, you're not my mom.
Who am I?
You're the fan.
Oh, my bad.
Let's see if the grilled cheese is done, everybody.
It looks like it's done.
Is it done? Let's taste it. So good.
We hope that you enjoyed episode 8 here at the Dip Show. And if you have not already done so, please do not forget to subscribe at Spread the Dip.